What's up everyone, it's Adam from Life of Adam and came back with a brand new lifeguarding video. In today's video, I'm going to be demonstrating how to tread water with no hands for 2 minutes for the lifeguarding course. Also just a life skill in general, how to tread water without needing to use your arms. So in today's video, I'm going to demonstrate in the pool kind of what I'm doing, what I'm thinking, how my kicks are working, how I'm positioning myself, basically all the secrets that you need to do in order for you to pass on your first try. Also, if you're just someone who wants to practice treading water in general and getting better at it, this will be a great video for you as well. So I'm gonna jump in the water and I'll meet you guys in there. All right, so I'm in the pool with you guys. I have a microphone, which will show you the confidence I have in doing this, but here we go. So timer starts right now. I'm treading water with no hands. Now, what I'm doing with my bottom half is called an egg beater kick. And I'm hoping the sun will kind of give it some more justice. I'm kind of moving closer to you guys. But basically, it's kind of like a bicycle kick. As these bending, this one is extending, and they kind of work together in rhythm to keep me level. So during the lifeguarding course, they're gonna be looking at my chin the whole time. So what I don't want to be doing is going like this when I'm too low. So what this will do, it'll keep me afloat. It'll keep my chin above water. And this is kind of what they're looking for. Now, I can change the kicks if I wanted to. For example, if I want to go to a breaststroke kick, you'll notice here, I'm not as level. However, it is giving me that like vertical push to get me above the water a little bit. But my personal preference is this. So if you want to go into the lifeguarding course, learn this kick in particular. My back is kind of arched a little bit, kind of like I'm sitting in a chair, and my arms are kind of like bent and kind of relaxed. So while I'm doing this, I'm very relaxed, I'm breathing. It's harder to talk and do this, so I hope you guys don't mind my heavy breathing, but this is what it looks like. I don't really do flutter kicks because I kind of sink, and that's just personal preference. So for me, this is the kick that I use. Now you want to do this until your instructor says to stop, which you want to not count in your head. You don't want to be like, oh, I thought you said stop. Wait till they said stop, and then you can go over and you can touch the wall and you did it. So that was my demonstration on how to tread water without using your arms. It was a little harder holding this microphone, I'm not gonna lie. However, it's a good demonstration on how my kicks are working, how relaxed my body is, what my arms look like, how my chin needs to be level and above the water. And if you do what I did, you can change kicks as well. You can go breaststroke kick, you can go flutter kick, you can go egg beater kick, whatever kind of combination works for you. If you do that, you will pass on your first try. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks so much.